Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs. The Torchbeam D3S HID headlight bulbs, manufactured by Torchbeam, are a highly efficient and reliable product that is designed to enhance the brightness and performance of your vehicle's headlights. With a brightness of 3,200 lumens, these bulbs provide a powerful and clear beam of light that greatly improves visibility on the road, especially during nighttime or low-light conditions. Whether you're driving in urban areas or on rural roads, these headlight bulbs ensure that you can see and be seen, promoting both safety and convenience. The diamond white color emission adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your vehicle's appearance. The crisp and pure light emitted by these bulbs not only enhances visibility, but also creates a stylish and modern look for your headlights. Additionally, these headlight bulbs have a high lifespan, allowing them to endure the test of time. Their durability ensures that you won't have to worry.